So that part no marag dili siya.
Ah, that one that is close to it. That's not ice.
Dili pa na sa ice no?
That's water.
Water.
Liquid.
So that part over
You
there.
cannot go there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Still water.
The one that they're standing, that's solid.
So dito sila napitspog na agad.
I mean, they're experienced. They know what one is. I also they tasted it. Nana sila ogre, ice ogre.
Okay.
Yeah, they will see how deep is the ice, how thick is the ice. Nah, the one that he's holding now, I think that's an ogre. He's drilling a hole now.
Can you take a video of me here
Yeah.
using my phone while I'm finishing up this part here?
Yeah. Kanya ako ibutan ni sa YouTube. I gotta wait until it's maybe 2 minutes. I see people they're fishing. I don't two of them I think.
Yeah.
This time they don't bring any tent. When they bring a tent, they'll be there for the entire day. And then they bring food in there, they cook inside the tent. My tent. Yeah, it's really warm inside.
Really?
Yeah, because that's designed for winter. That's an ice tent. Not ordinary tent nga kanang kuan. That's an ice tent, and you know it's easy
so
to.
You don't feel the wind and the,
Yeah, it's easy to assemble.
Really? Mahal sa siguro, no?
I'll order na ko online. You will see the difference in ordinary tent na yung mga liner. Yeah. When we go downstairs in the basement, you will see it. Yeah. Difference siya baga. Ordinary tent has no liner. Wala, just plain plastic. That's it.
Yeah. China ka pa siguro.
I think so.
Everything's made in China.
China. They're so financially progressive.
The wool's factory. Actually, it's really cheap.
Yeah, it is. Pero other countries